In this video, I'll show you how to quickly insert a picture into Microsoft Word. We'll go step by step, so even if you're brand new to Word, you'll be able to follow along easily. Step 1. First, open Microsoft Word and load the document where you want to add your image. This can be a brand new blank document or a file you've already been working on. Once it's open, click your mouse where you'd like the picture to appear. Step 2. Next, look at the top of the window for the ribbon, and click on the tab that says, Insert. This tab holds all the tools for adding extra things to your document, like pictures, tables, and shapes. Make sure the Insert tab is highlighted before you move on. Step 3. Now, click the Pictures button in the Insert tab. Word will ask you where the image is coming from. Your computer, built-in stock images, or online pictures. Pick the option that matches where your picture is saved. Most of the time, that will be this device on your computer. Step 4. A file window will open so you can browse your folders. Find the picture you want, click it once to highlight it, and then click the Insert button. After a moment, you'll see the image appear right in your Word document at the spot you selected. Step 5. To adjust the picture, click on it once. You'll see little circles or squares around the edges. Drag a corner to make the image larger or smaller while keeping its shape. If you want the text to wrap around or if you want to move the image freely, click the Layout Options icon next to the picture and choose the wrapping style that works best for your document. Step 6. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Click the Save icon, or go to File and then Save, so your newly inserted image and all your changes are safely stored. It only takes a second and prevents you from losing your edits later. You've just learned how to insert and adjust images in Microsoft Word. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next.